How to use ChatGPT to become more productive. Welcome back to the Tech Wizard channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology, AI, and robots. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: how to use ChatGPT to become more productive. If you're looking to enhance your efficiency and save valuable time, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Now, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how you can leverage AI to boost your productivity? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll explore 5 real-world examples of how you can use ChatGPT to become more efficient and get things done. Let's jump right into it. Example 1. Task management. First up, we have task management. ChatGPT can help you stay organized by creating and managing your to-do lists. Simply interact with ChatGPT. Ask it to create a task list, set deadlines, and prioritize your tasks. With its intelligent suggestions and reminders, you'll never miss an important deadline again. Example 2. Content creation. Are you a content creator? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Whether you're a writer, YouTuber, or blogger, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, generate topic ideas, and even assist in writing drafts. Just imagine the hours saved when you have an AI assistant to help you with your content creation process. Example 3. Research. Researching topics can be time-consuming, especially when you need to gather information from various sources. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your research process. Simply ask ChatGPT to find relevant articles, papers, or data on a specific topic, and it will present you with a curated list of resources, saving you hours of manual searching. Example 4. Customer support. If you run a business or provide customer support, ChatGPT can be your virtual customer service representative. It can handle frequently asked questions, provide instant responses, and even assist with basic troubleshooting. With ChatGPT as your support agent, you can provide faster and more efficient service to your customers. Example 5. Language translation. Lastly, let's talk about language translation. ChatGPT can help break down language barriers and facilitate communication across different languages. By using ChatGPT as a translation tool, you can quickly translate text or have real-time conversations, making your global interactions smoother and more productive. And there you have it. 5 real-world examples of how ChatGPT can supercharge your productivity. Whether it's managing tasks, creating content, conducting research, providing customer support, or translating languages, ChatGPT is here to revolutionize the way you work. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below how you plan to use ChatGPT to boost your productivity. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the future with us here at Tech Wizard. Take care.